In this video we are going to revise the chapter civics chapter first one, that is equality. On equality we can see the right to equality. We are having the universal adult franchise, means all the people, those who completed 18 years, they are having the voting right. We are selecting our leaders, and then we analyze the one person story like that. In the election day they are standing equally, but in other areas those who are rich, they are getting facilities, others are not getting facilities. Then different kinds of other kinds of equality what we are seeing in our society. So to understand that equality, we want to understand first inequalities of the society, caste things, then the rich and poor, like that many inequalities are there in the society. So some of the examples, it is given the Om Prakash Vatmiki, that is one example. Then here one of the person who written the book, and you want to remember the name of the book and other things, that is. Then second one, Mr. and Mrs. Ansari, because of their particular religion they are not getting any house to live. Then recognizing dignity, we want to give respect to the people, that is the thing. Means in the equality, if we are keeping everyone, all are equal, then we will respect everyone. That is the next point. Then equality in Indian constitution, that is important point of the lesson. Indian constitution recognizes every person equal before law, even it is male or female. There is no change in the, if in which caste or which religion, tribe, educational or economical background, nothing we can't consider in front of the equality. That is saying this what we can say in our constitution, and many provisions given in our constitution for this one. First one, every person is equal before law, and it means each and every person, president of the country or the ordinary domestic worker also want to obey the rules and regulations what is written in the constitution. Second one, no person can be discriminated against on the basis of the religion or race or caste, place of birth, whether they are male or female. We can't discriminate anyone. Then third one, every person has access to all public places, including playgrounds, hotels, shops, markets, etc. All person can use public available wells, roads, like this. Some of the provisions very clearly it is given in our constitution. Next one, the government, it is implementing this equality through two ways. They are using two ways. First one, it is the government programs or schemes, that is the first one. And first one through law, they are government is making laws. Then second one through the programs and schemes of the government. In this two way, government is trying to implement the equality in the society. So midday meal, like that, some of the examples we have seen. And midday meal, that is another one good thing, good example in front of us, because what the teacher's opinion after giving the midday meal, the attendance it is progressing, then dropouts it is decreasing, then afternoon hours those who was absent, that also decrease, and the children's concentration also and performance also it is increased, like that teachers are giving. So that are the advantages of midday meal. And where it started, it is first started in Tamil Nadu, that is in 2001. Then afterwards Supreme Court said to adopt to other places also. Then Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is the architecture of our. Then issues of equality in other democracies, not only in India, any other countries also. Even example given about USA, one of the most developed country in the world, they are also facing the inequality in the society. We can see the civil right movement of America, that is that one lady Rosa Parks, that name we have seen in the last page. Rosa Parks, she is starting with a civil right movement in America. Then they are getting the act that was in Civil Right Act in 1964. So we can see not only in India, many other countries, even in the European countries or in African countries or in American countries, we can see the inequalities in the society. Then you can see the experts saying about the Article 15 of our Indian Constitution. Article 15 of our Constitution. Okay. the prohibition of discrimination, because we can't make any discrimination in the society like that. We said in that on the ground of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, etc. it is given. Then the state shall not discriminate against any person on the ground of only of religion, race, sex, place of birth, etc. Then second one, no citizen shall know on grounds only of religion, caste and other things. For what? To be subjected to any disability, liability, restriction or conditions with regard to access to shops, public restaurants, hotels and places for public entertainment, means theater and other things. Then the use of wells, tanks, then bathing guards, rods, etc. means very clearly experts explaining that one, the prohibition of discrimination, and all things, even the shops, roads, everything should be accessible to all people like that. The next part of the lesson, that is challenges of democracy, and many challenges are there because we are having the many differences in the society, many diversities in the society. No country can be described as a being completely democratic, and we can't say like that even America or like that any country, developed countries also, they are not completely democratic. There are always communities and individuals trying to expand the idea of democracy. Why? The expansion of democracy is happening day by day, and push for a greater recognition of equality on the existing as well as the new issues. The existing issues are there now present. All the countries, they are facing a new issue, that is the corona or COVID. So like that issues are coming day by day, so they want to we want to solve all these things. And these are the some of the challenges what we are facing, because the basic idea of the ideal democracy, the meaning that is changing day by day, as well as new issues are arising day by day. So we want to keep our eye open, and then we want to solve the problems every day. So these are the some of the challenges. Then the diversities of the society, there will be many types of society. It is developed, underdeveloped, then educated, uneducated, like that many group of peoples are there. All these things are the challenges of democracy. So we'll solve some of the question answer also. Thank you. Have a nice day.